In this short video, I'll show you how to connect Telegram chatbot and N8N. For this one, we're gonna need to use a Telegram and search up a bot maker named BotFather. So go ahead and go to your Telegram and search it up. As for me, I already have it searched it up right here, BotFather, which you can just go ahead at the top left and search it right here, BotFather. Once you've gotten the bot, just click it and press start at the top right. There we go. It will present us with this. Now what we need to do now is basically just create our own bot. At the top, make sure you press this one, create a new bot. And it's going to ask us a few instructions like choose a name for your bot. I will choose the name as a N8N example. There you go. Let's put it at that. Next, it's going to ask us its unique username. So what we can do is basically put a unique username like N8N Telegram example underscore bot, something like this. Press enter. There you go. That's basically how it is. Now we need to keep in mind in copy the API. Do note that this is very sensitive data, which is the API. So make sure when you copy this, you don't share this with anyone. For me, I'm just using this as an example. So after this, I'm just going to delete the bot basically. So before we do anything else, make sure we go to and copy it. Now, after doing so, open up a new tab, and we're gonna type in the API basically first. So type in this in the URL API telegram.org slash and bot. Paste the API. Another slash get updates. There you go. Press enter. It should load for a bit, but basically what we're doing is enabling our chat box. There we go. It's enabled. Let's go back to Telegram and let's basically chat our chat box. I'm gonna go and send my own chat box a message so it recognizes it. I'll give it hello. There you go. Set the hello. Go back to the new tab. Press pretty print. Refresh it a bit, and there you go. Basically, we need to keep in mind the ID. So right now our ID is right here. Again, this is fragile sensitivity, so make sure you keep in mind of the data right here. ID. So we need to copy this one and go to our N8N workflow. Type in Telegram. Go to Actions. So we'll add a node and select send a text message right here since we need a chat box. Go to your select credentials, create new credentials, and basically paste in the access token from our bot right here. I'll go and copy it again, paste it, and save. There you go. That's easy. Now after you'll know it works because it's it's successful. Let's go ahead and close it. And what we need to do now is put the chat ID to which where we copied earlier. It was this one. So go ahead and paste the chat ID. There you go. And just type in any text that you'd like, something like hello, I don't know, like customer or something. There you go. You can go ahead and test it if you want. There you go. From my Telegram, the bot actually responded by saying hello customer. So yeah, now you know how to connect Telegram chatbot and N8N. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.